If this has ever been you, where the are my hearing aids? Then Phonak's new state-of-the-art hearing aid tracking technology is going to be perfect for you. And here's everything that you need to know about it. Every hearing aid manufacturer, and when I say every, I mean every hearing aid manufacturer, has had a Find My Hearing Aid feature since the dawn of time. Well, not quite that early, but certainly since the release of ReSound's first ever Bluetooth-compatible hearing aid way back when in 2010. Yet one manufacturer, Sonova, which encompasses leading brands Unitron and Phonak, hasn't. And believe me, over the years, I have begged them for it on your behalf. Why? Well, in a recent poll that I put out there on YouTube, around 30% of you have lost a hearing aid in the past. And this could have been prevented with today's new feature. So I'm keen on knowing about you watching me today. Have you ever lost a hearing aid? Let me know in the comments beneath today's video, and even better, let me know if you found them using a Find My Hearing Aids feature. So today's big news is that the newest MyPhonak app update version 6.9, which coincides with the release of the Phonak Audeo Infinio, Audeo Sphere Infinio, and Virto Infinio, will now give you access to Phonak's brand new Find My Hearing Aid feature. In practice, this means that if your hearing aid or cross system falls out or is missing, the GPS on your smartphone will show you the last time that your phone and your hearing aids were together. So, if you've lost one, you'll be able to trace your steps and then find it. Now, there are a couple of things that it's important for me to mention early on. Firstly, the app will now ask permission to use your location services. You have to allow this for it to work. And it must be also set to always allow. If you don't take that step, then it won't work. Secondly, I have been assured by Phonak that Sonova does not have access to your location data, so panic not. They will not be tracing your every movement. When it's working, it will help you to find your hearing aids in two different ways. Firstly, on a map if you're far away from them, and then secondly, you'll notice here these little hot and cold bars, which should get you within a few feet of your hearing aids. Now, I can only assume that this is now possible with the introduction of LE audio into these new hearing aids from Phonak. However, Phonak will neither confirm nor deny this. In reality, it doesn't matter how they've done that. The main thing is that they've caught up with the competition. Sadly, though, this feature is not backwards compatible, so it won't work with your Luity, Paradise, or Marvel hearing aids. Now, before you go and do this update, I would thoroughly recommend checking out this video reviewing Phonak's supercharged Audeo Sphere hearing aids.